Insanely out here. This is the second side. Last night we have the first system. It was really crazy. I was up looking at it and it was insane. Like, the visibility was low. It was heavy snow coming down and I kind of couldn't see trees, and now the backside is back. It's reminding me a little of last night, and it could get heavier and it's already heavy pretty much. It's really crazy. You can see everything is white out here. It's a lot of snow out here. It's really, this system has, I mean, both of these systems have convective energy. So that's why it's so heavy. So yeah.
Okay, well, let's go look around and see what's, hopefully I can take my phone out here.
Look at this, bro. You're getting hit hard.
Let's see if we can go out here a little bit. Look how steep the snow is. How many inches is this, Josh? How much do you think this is?
Like maybe 10 inches. Maybe 9 to 10 inches.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, look how much is on that bushes. Our bushes aren't that low.
Look how low the visibility is out here. Remember the convective snow showers, though?
Yeah.
It's like that. Exactly like this. Like, no other system has producing this much snow as this one. As both of these systems. So, yeah.
Yeah, the visibility, it's weird because on this phone I could see a little bit clearer, but the visibility is serious.
Yeah, it is.
It's serious.
On the phone, it doesn't do it justice. So in real life, the visibility be really low.
Yeah.
The visibility is be really low, and it's really crazy.
Well, we're gonna get ready to say bye, Josh. So I want you to say bye to the camera.
Bye. Bye. This is Josh the weather person. It's insane out here.
Man.
Dang.
Hi everybody, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also if you guys like to donate to our channel, definitely click the links down below, and also if you like to visit our social media sites, definitely click the link down below. And I want to say happy March, and we will see you in the next video. Bye guys!